Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I have a recipe for cheesecake, and for this we need few ingredients, but before that I have a special guest, and that's my son, and he's going to help me today, and I hope he's going to tell you the ingredients as well.
This is milk cheese, and this is chocolate. This is cheese cream, and this is normal cream. This is
biscuit.
This is biscuit.
And this is double cream.
Double cream.
So let's get started.
Yes.
So first we need to crush the biscuits. So for this I'm adding all the biscuits in the food processor, and then we are gonna crush them all. Okay, now we have done the biscuits, and now we're gonna add some melted butter that I have shown you before. We're gonna add that, and if you do remember that, don't cut your finger just like I did right now. I don't know what was I doing, but let's do that. So now we are gonna add the melted butter. Can you help me? Not all. So now we have mixed all the butter and the crushed biscuits, and now we need a baking tray, and I'm gonna put all this in a baking tray. Now press it down like this around the baking tray. You want to try? That's nice.
Yummy, yummy. Looks yummy.
Yeah.
Wait till it's all.
Okay. Okay. So now we have spread the mixture all over the tray, and we are going to put this in the freezer until it's nice and solid. And in the meantime, we are going to make the cream cheese and the heavy cream. Okay, now in the same food processor, I'm adding the heavy cream. So I have seen people making whipped cream in the food processor. I have never tried this before. So let's try this today. I think it's a good day. So can you help me?
Yep. Whoa.
So you can see it is making it like a bit creamy kind of, but not the way I want. It's still quite like watery and runny. So let's stop here, and I'm gonna do with the hand blender. So now I'm doing it in my hand blender. So now our whipped cream is ready, and now we're gonna set it aside, and then we are gonna make the cream cheese. Now we have 340 grams of cream cheese, and I'm adding about 1 cup of powdered sugar in it.
Maybe it's nutella.
Now I'm adding some vanilla essence. Now at this stage, after like few minutes, about 2 minutes, I'm gonna add Nutella. So I have added about 200 grams of Nutella, and now we are gonna do the mixing again. So now our cream cheese is also ready. Look at the consistency, and it tastes so good. So now what we are gonna do, we're gonna mix the cream cheese and the whipped cream together. Now we are gonna add the whipped cream in our cream cheese. And now we are gonna mix all this together. So now we have mixed all these two together, and now we're going to take out the crust that we have made that's in the freezer, and we're going to spread it all over. We're going to add the mixture on the top of it. And we're going to spread it nicely and evenly. Now we have spread all the cream cheese, and now we're going to put it in the fridge. You can put it in the fridge for overnight, or I'm putting it in the freezer because I want to do the toppings and the garnishing kind of thing. So I'm putting it in the freezer, and then I'll show you what I do next. So now here we are, the cheesecake is nice and ready. Let's take it out of the mold. I hope it goes well. Wow, and it came out so good. So now we are gonna do the same mixture that I had. I'm gonna do some piping on the top. I'm no professional, so please don't judge me with that. So I have just done this on a tissue paper so that I know what I'm doing. So let's start this. So now I have done the piping, and I'm going to put some chocolate chip on the top. Now I'll cut a nice slice, and then I'll show you how it looks like from inside. So here we are, cheesecake is ready and it is very tasty. I hope you like it, and please do try this recipe. If you have any question, you can follow me on Facebook, and or you can leave your comment down below. And please do try this recipe. Let me know if you try it, and I hope you like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.